I'm Isaac Matlock. I'm the Native Seed Project Coordinator here at the Clifton Institute. As it being spring, and especially April right now, I'm trying to sow as many seeds as possible to get things growing for some of the farmers on our project. And right now, amongst all the plants I need to sow today, working with the Salvia lurida, or the lyre leaf sage species on the project, and I'm going to show you kind of my secret method of sowing plugs in a larger commercial scale instead of doing everything one seed at a time. So I'm using what I call the sowing machine, which is built by a very nice volunteer who lives nearby. This machine allows me to sow an entire tray of plugs at one time. I can get roughly 2,000 to 3,000 plugs sown a day. I slide in our plug tray, which is made specifically with the template on top, and then I take our sowing mix, which has vermiculite and the seeds already mixed in. The goal here is to fill all the cells with a little bit of the media, so that hopefully we have at least one, if not 2 or 3 seeds per cell, to help get some of the residual on the sides into these cells. Try not to waste any of it. What this does is it drops all of that media into these cells at one time. This is 2 or 3 days worth of work, and we already have roughly 8,000 plugs here sown, ready to grow this year. We have late purple aster, which is Symphyotrichum potens, collected here in the Piedmont region, that actually has some little seedlings that are already coming up. They might be really small, but this is the goal. Depending on when they're ready, they'll either go to farms that are on the project who are growing these native plants for seed harvesting. If not, they'll go in the Clifton Institute demonstration plot down the drive, or we also are going to try making some of these for sale at some of our plant sales, or we'll also use them for restoration work here on the property.